Let's get cooking, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back. It is Bushcrafty Cooks. Once again, we're going to go ahead and turn the stove on. Today I am going to make a very inexpensive meal. This could be for 1 to 2 people. You can double it if you like. I'll show you the ingredients. These are $1 to $1.25 in a dollar store, depending on if they're on sale or not. Very inexpensive. Rice, easy to cook. Can of mixed vegetables. A lot of times you can get this for 50 cents to $1. Same thing with the soup. This is Campbell's cream of chicken. You can also add a can of chicken with this if you would like. I'm doing this because all of the stuff with the food stamps and everything, people are going crazy about feeding themselves and stuff. This is a very inexpensive, under $5 for a meal for 1 to 2 people. We're going to go ahead and put most of the 2 cups of water in there because I just spilt a bunch. We're going to go ahead and let that start to boil. We've got our broccoli, cheddar broccoli. It tells you to use milk and butter. You don't have to. It just makes it a little bit more creamier, but we're mixing cream of chicken. You can use cream of whatever, celery, cream of mushroom, whatever. I'm just doing chicken because a little extra protein in there. But instead of doing a cup and a half of water and half a cup of milk, I just put 2 cups in there. So once this gets boiling, we'll be back in just a moment. Okay, water's boiling at no time at all. We're going to go ahead and pour this in here. Again, the directions tell you that you need milk and you need butter. You don't. I've cooked this many a times without either of. These are good for, like, if you're going hiking or something. All you need is water. You need a sort to boil this. This is a good meal on the trail. This is a good for preppers and stuff like that. We're going to go ahead and let this cook down a little bit, and once this gets to where it's almost done, we will add in our other ingredients. But so give it a little stir every once in a while so nothing sticks, and you know, that kind of thing. And we'll be back in just a moment. Okay, now we're at the next stage where we're going to go ahead and add our cream of chicken soup. Plop that in there. It's always lovely getting this in there. There we go. And we're going to give this a stir. Get it all worked up in there. And then we'll add in our mixed vegetables. Now, I picked mixed vegetables because of the variety of vegetables that are in mixed vegetables. Oops. But you could put a can of kidney beans, pinto beans, just corn. It all depends. Let's go ahead and add our vegetables now. And if you have spices, now would be the time to add the spices. I already added it to the rice, but we'll go ahead and mix this up and go ahead and turn off the stove because it'll continue to cook on the burner for a bit. Work that in there really good. And it may not look like the most appetizing thing, but this is actually pretty good. You know, once you mix the cream of mushroom or cream of chicken or whatever you want to put in there with this, with the cheese, it adds a very good flavor to this. Now, for this cost under $3.75. This is enough for 1 to 2 people. One person, you could have 2 to 3 helpings of this, depending on what your size of serving is. 2 people could definitely eat this. If you wanted to double up this, you could get 2 bags of the rice. You could get 2 cans or just 1 can and 1 can of chicken, and really spruce this up for under $5. So it's just something to think about. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. Until next time, happy cooking.